Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games not showing up in my library. Open up your Steam app and let's go to the library tab at the top left. And from here, let's click on the View tab at the top left as well and click on Hidden Games. Now that hidden game might be in this hidden folder, and if it is, you can drag the game onto the left side and it should now be back onto your library. If it is not, let's click on the Steam option at the top left and let's go to Settings. From here, let's go to the download section from the options at the left. Scroll down, and in line with clear download cache, click on the clear cache button and click on confirm. This will also restart your Steam, so just do that. Once it has been restarted, click on the Steam again at the top left and click on check for Steam client updates. This will make sure that our Steam client is up to date, and if there are any available updates, just download them because it will include any bug fixes, which can help solve the problem. The next step will be to click on Steam again at the top left and go back to settings. From here, let's click on storage, and at the right hand side, you can see 3 dots, so click on that one and click on repair library. This will help us know if there are any corrupted files of your games, and once it is done, just click on close. And after that, let's go to the in-game section from the left and find the delete web browser data, and in line with that, click on delete, and this will delete all these, and just click on confirm because this can help solve the issue, and check if your problem has now been solved and see if the game is now back in your library. If it is still not working, the last thing to do is to click on the help option at the top left and click on Steam support. From here, you can select the game that is missing. For example, this is the game that is missing, and click on it's not in my library right here, and just follow and just select the options that applies to you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.